Okay, we're back again, and this is what I got. I already showed you the cut I made here. Now I got a 2-foot crowbar, and I got my 2 blocks of wood against the sheetrock return. This wall is a sheetrocked wall, and then they have the sheetrock returning right into the metal window. And then what I'm doing here is I got this crowbar, and then I'm pulling probably like 65 pounds or so, maybe more. That's how that comes out. That's how we take these out. That way we don't destroy the ground or the, I'm calling that thing a ground, that galvanized J-channel for the stucco. I'm calling that a ground. I don't destroy that, and I don't destroy the sheetrock. And I'm getting a good base to pry on. So you can see how hard that comes out. Now, while that's out, I'll put the phone down and I'll cut through that some more with a hacksaw, and then I'll be able to take it out. But that's how I got this side out. Same kind of deal. That way, when I use those blocks of wood, there's no damage to the sheetrock material. It spreads the weight out over a greater area. Another thing you can do with these too is if there's any glue, sometimes they have a channel and they have glue. Now this one I didn't cut the glue, but a lot of times I will cut the glue, and it helps it come out easier. Alright, thanks for stopping around. This is Len and David Hart.